Okay, Monday morning, 9:53, 22nd of February, start of a new week, and just logging into my Binance account, check the daily balance, and we have a balance of 975,216, which I know is less than it was yesterday. 975,216. 975,216. And that's a value of 53862. 53862. 53862. Okay, so we've lost a few Bitcoin since Thursday, but we're still ahead of the game. So we keep watching and we keep recording. Hi there, Tuesday the 23rd of February 9:42, and it's time to check our Binance balance. And what have we got? And we have $849,283. That's not good. That's dropped a lot. 849,283. 849,283. Point 8449283. So that's not very impressive, is it? The algorithm has clearly had a bad 24 hours. 40444. 40444. And well, it's a big loss. $100 overnight. That's a disturbing and worrying sign. We started with 90, 900, 794. We're down to 849,283. Well, it is what it is. Clearly, this can't continue. We can't keep suffering. We've lost on what, 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive days now. So this experiment might be failing, but we'll keep it going for the time being and see what happens. Okay, a bit late with a few internet problems this morning. It's now nearly noon on Wednesday the 24th of February. So our current Bitcoin balance is 951,458. I've already updated the spreadsheet, 951,458. So we're up on yesterday, still down on the week, but we're up on our starting balance. So this is what we expected, really, up and down. Let's keep watching, keep monitoring, and let's hope Algowave can produce the goods. Thursday, 25th of February, 9:43. Yesterday we had 951,458. 951,458. Let's see what we've got. Here we go. 951. We're down again. 929,147. 929,147. 929147, and that's a value of 45220. 45220. Okay, well, we're down again. So still down on the week, but we're still just about up on the initial investment, so we carry on. Okay, Friday 26th of February. Right, yesterday we had 929147, and today we have what? Here we go, and the magic number is 920929. 920929. 920929. Hang on, that's not right, is it? 920929. There we go. Right, and that was a value of 42869. 42869. So slightly down on yesterday. Down on the week still. Slightly up on the start. So we're treading water, but we're not losing, I suppose, which is good. So we'll just crack on with it. Okay, it's Saturday the 27th of February. Let's check our Binance totals for this morning, and we have got $920,183, 920,183, and that is a value of 42698. 42698. Okay, well, still down on the week, still slightly up on the period in total, and my Bitcoin holding value is $3 less than it was at the start. So what have we got? 16 days. 16 days we've been doing this now, and we're at break even just about. So we have to keep it going, and hopefully over the next week or so Algowave can improve their performance and start making us some real coin. Whether that's going to happen or not remains to be seen. Okay, it's the end of the week. It's Sunday the 28th of February, end of the week, end of the month, and I'm just logging into my Binance account to see what the latest total is. Yesterday we had 920183, 920183, and today we have 916606. It's down again. 0.091 916606, 916606, and that is a total or a value of 41167. 41167. Okay, so not a great week for Algowave. Started with 975, we've now got 916. Yeah, well, we're going to persevere. This is a 2-month trial. We've got to give, well, at least it's going to be possibly a 2-month trial. If after a month that we're down, I'm going to cut my losses, but we'll keep it going for the time being, and we'll just see whether this investment is worthwhile or not.